Started building PCs. I built my first PC in 2009. And to play COD 4 on PC because I watched a Pro Mod Frag movie and shit myself and it changed my life. And then literally from that point, what's up, Christopher? From that point on, I just knew this is what I wanted to do. And I was working a full-time job while creating this thing. And I lost my job at the end of December because the place I was in warehousing for like 10 years, and that place ended up closing down. And so I decided to do this full time, which was the goal. The stars kind of aligned for me.